All right, we got Mark and Joel here. They're going to be splitting a box of Heroes of Sport. Iconic Heroes Chapter 1. Just cracked open a brand new case for you guys. Good luck. All right, no hot box. All right, we got box number 71 of 300. Feels like all redemptions.
Uh-oh, that's good.
I think this is all redemptions.
One card in the back?
Might be a card in there. There's one card, I think. All right, position number 1. Start off with, that's pretty sweet right there.
Nice.
Troy Aikman, full-size helmet. I hate the Cowboys, but that's a nice piece.
That is a nice piece.
JSA authenticated.
Super Bowl MVP.
All right, next up we've got Kings of Baseball, 28x33 poster, signed by Nolan Ryan, Ricky Henderson, Pete Rose, and Hank Aaron, PSA DNA cert.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we've actually pulled that one before.
Really?
Yep, that's the second one of those.
I've never seen that before.
Position 3. All right, we got a Paul Newman, 8x10 color photo, PSA DNA cert.
I don't know what that is.
Cool hand Luke right there.
I don't know what that is either.
You don't even know what that is?
No.
Really?
I've heard of that. I don't know what that is.
It's a movie. All right, and position number 4, Buffy showing his age. Finish with, ooh, what is this? Nice. 1922 Eastern Exhibit Supply SGC 70 Walter Johnson.
Great for that.
Nice box.
What is that, 1922?
1922 Eastern Exhibit Supply. Very cool. All right, that'll do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the break. And if you want any more boxes from the case, just let me know. I'll be happy to do them for you.